Speech and debate is the home of future leaders, performers, and entertainers. Students may compete in a variety of different events that include not just delivering speeches, but also acting. We have events for students who enjoy debating, keeping up with current events, and for kids who are quick thinkers. This is an elective that empowers students and allows them to find their voices. Successful people, from lawyers to CEOs to actors and politicians, know how to engage others through speech. It is a skill that must be practiced before it is perfected. Multiple U.S. presidents, Supreme Court justices, hundreds of congresspeople, government leaders, and entertainers got their start in speech and debate. Choose speech and debate as your first choice for your elective, to become part of the MacArthur team and to compete for your own personal glory.
Hey everyone, Tom Yamas here from ABC News, and I just wanted to let you know speech and debate had a huge impact on my life and my career. It taught me at a very young age how to handle very serious issues and how to present them in front of an audience. It also taught me discipline and hard work and how to stay competitive throughout 4 years of high school. It was incredibly important to me.
Why do you like speech?
I like speech because it gives me a chance to express myself in a way that I don't get to do in everyday life.
What event do you do?
So I do original oratory.
Tell me, what do you like about original oratory?
For original oratory, I guess you really get to be original, kind of in the name. You actually write your own speech and you memorize it. And for me, I'm really passionate about what I write. So when I try to convey it, I try to give as much passion and rigor as I can so it can actually be a good speech for the audience.
What's your speech about?
My speech, well, the name of my speech is Make America Think Again.
If you could use one word to describe speech, what would that be?
Fun. Awesome.
Cool.
Okay, they use 3 positive words.
Amazing. Fun.
Magnificent.
The hard part about being a 12 or a 13-year-old is people say your voice doesn't matter, or they don't ask you your opinions, and this is a forum where you're encouraged to argue and to question and to have your voice heard.
For me, speech and debate, it's an opportunity to kind of show the world the talent I'm capable of. I can really put my feelings into the speech.
Speech and debate just lets me get my voice out to other people, and it helps me have more courage. And I've always been a very outgoing person, but it really does help you socialize.
It feels exhilarating, but there's nerves, and it's like this combination of emotions. I think I'm going to stay in it and work hard and try and get to be one of the best.
At the starting, I wasn't really interested, like per se. I didn't really know about it. The first thing I heard was debate, and the first debate class I went to, I heard about, like, my friend wanted to do a rebuttal, and that was sort of all I got, and I was like, wow, this is gonna be terrible. I have to memorize things, I have to like research for hours and hours. I thought it was gonna be bad, but here I am, and it's really fun. When you tell people that you do speech and debate, it really, like, people are pretty amazed. I was surprised when I told someone I do speech and debate, and they're like, wow. It's like the first time I've ever heard someone say that, and I feel like it really gives people the voice that they need.
I just love the faces that people make when they see you act. The way you move your body, or your body language, or your facial expression, or how you say something, it shows people like a movie, and I love it. Like when I do interpretations, I do dramatic, and a lot of the time they end in tears. And to see that I can do that with just me and myself and my partner, of course, it makes me feel like I can conquer the world just by like doing what I love.
We are the future, and what we do now determines what happens later on.
Before I went to speech and debate, I just thought it was debate. Like, I didn't know there was this whole speech side to it. So then I tried it out and I'm like, oh, this is my home. I'm an actor, this is my home.
Where do you practice?
I practice everywhere I can, from the wall, in my bathroom, in my room, outside. Just whenever I get a free minute, I just run my piece and run my piece and run my piece.
This right here is my dad's dog tags. He passed away 6 years ago. It used to be hard for me. I used to get shy or start to tear up. But now with speech and debate, it's helped me speak freely about it without being shy or being embarrassed to tell a story.